How has the Boss Your Future programme helped you so far?
It's boosted my confidence a lot. I feel like more capable than I did before. I feel like I can push myself. I feel like I've got a lot more ideas coming in, and I just want to get it done and want to get my stuff started up.
And what ideas have you got? Just tell the people watching what ideas you've got.
Just basically, I just want to start my own garden maintenance business. Just grass cutting, hedge trimming, garden edges, weeds, pressure washing driveways, stuff like that. Just simple things that some people might not be able to do themselves, or might not have the time to do. I'll come and do it for you.
Brilliant. And what do you need to get that going off the ground? What do you need help with?
To start off, all you need is a lawnmower and a rake, and you can work away from there, and it's as easy as that.
So what's your ask to the business community if they can support you and help you? B&Q may be able to help you, Machine Mart, anybody who sells lawnmowers, garden equipment. How could they help you, Leon? And what can you, how would that help you?
It's just anything really. It's like just to get myself started up. Once I'm started, it just goes from there. I've already been looking at gardens and stuff in my area that need cut, and there's a few there, so just even a lawnmower. I can get my own rake. That's it, just a lawnmower.
Brilliant. And what would you say to any young people in Salford about the Boss Your Future programme, why they should get involved?
If you've got ideas, Boss Your Future is the best way to go, because it will give you more confidence in yourself, and you'll definitely feel more inspired. You'll definitely want to do it.
Fantastic, thank you, Leon. And what's your goals for today on the crossbows?
Hit the ball. Don't miss.
Don't miss. Well done, Leon. Thank you.